Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Emo app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Emo app or just search for it. So add here Emo, then you click on it. So then you come to this list here, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on Play Store here, then you search for Emo. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.